Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Crazy Country Couponer. And I'm Jenny, the Crazy Country Couponer, and this is a special request video. Yes, and what is that? Well, that's someone who says, I didn't quite understand the deal. Can you explain it more? Well, of course we can. We're friends like that. And you want to know, so come on in. And we're going to talk about all the different ways that you can use this instant saving and all these Purina coupons. And if you're not one of our crazy friends, well, you come on in too. Grab you something to drink, get settled in and comfy, because we are going to, well, conversate about saving money. Yeah, one of our favorite things to do. Talk and save money. Well, two of our favorite things. And to that end, well, come on, be one of our crazy friends, because I'm sure you like saving money too. So look below and hit that subscription button and that notification bell while you're there, and that way you won't miss any of our deals, glitches, free stuff, or awesome information that we like to talk about every day. All right, everybody, come on in. Like I said, this is a special request because we've got so much going on with this Purina 5 off of 25 coupon. And if you got more than one account, oh my gosh, and if you got a whole bunch of fur babies, it gets better and better and so exciting. Now, I don't even remember. When I did the video and I was telling you about this, I was on my way out the door, and I knew I threw a 5 off 25 scenario in there, but I probably forgot the fact that this is a 5 off of 25 instant savings. So if you know what I'm talking about, you know you got to have $30. And if you're new, well, if you have instant savings on anything and you're looking to do that 5 off of $25 general store coupon, well, then you've got to go whatever your instant savings is above that $25 threshold. So if you've got a $5 instant savings, guess what, guys? You've got to go $30. And that's where we're at with these 5 off 25 scenarios for the cat food. Now, if you're just doing an 80-day deal using that 5 off of 25 instant savings and your coupons, well, that's not a concern. Because it only, applies on Saturday. So, let's jump into, well, what we got going on. Well, we know we have an instant savings when you spend $25 on Purina products. We also have several, and I mean several, Purina coupons, okay? Now, we've got some urns as well, and they're good size urns. And one of them I want to tell you about is here. We got a $5 off of 3 of the cat chows, and the kitten food is included. We have a $5 urn, but you must buy 3. Now, I'm thinking that you will get at least 1 urn off of this, okay? I think. Not quite sure. But if you do, it's going to be making it a much better deal. But there are some of us out there that we don't really care what kind of food that we're getting for our fur babies, as long as it's good food. And this is decent food, and it's expensive food. So let's talk about doing a Purina cat chow deal. Now, if you do the Purina cat chow naturals, they're $7 a bag. But the funny thing about it is, this urn is glitching and it is attaching to the Purina cat chow naturals. It's not just attaching to the kitten food. Now, if you want to do kitten food, the kitten food is $6.30. Your out-of-pocket will be a little bit cheaper. Now, if you're doing the naturals, which is a really good cat food, and when I do have it for my cats, they just love it, you're going to pick up 3 of them for $21. Now, this is a 5 off of 25 scenario on this, okay? Okay, this is your Saturday scenario for this. You're going to pick up 4 cat chows. 3 of them being the naturals for $21. 1 being regular cat chow for $6.35. You're at $27.35 there. For Saturday, you're going to add $3 more of Purina product. Make sure you scan and they attach. It can be cans of dog food, cans of cat food. Just make sure you scan the product. And then you're going to be at 30. At that point, you're going to get your instant savings off. You're going to get your 5 off 25 off. And then you're going to get your earn back for $5 as well. And you're 5 off for purchasing 3 cat chow products. So your final out-of-pocket for Saturday will be $10 for all of those cat chow products. And that's a winner chicken dinner deal right there. And if you're just doing it any day of the week, well, 4 of them out of pocket is $27.35 when you get your earns back. Next, we're going to talk about this coupon. I mean, this is dipping in so many ways. That's all I can say. Dipping in so many ways. So, the first dip is the one we've been doing, and that is buying several bags of the 3.5 Friskies. Now, if you buy a total of 4 of these bags, you are going to save $15, okay? Because you're going to get $5 off for purchasing 3. You're going to get $5 off for spending $25 on Frisky, and you're going to get a $5 instant savings. Now, this is any day of the week, okay? This is not Saturday. This is tomorrow. If you need cat food and want to go tomorrow, this is any day of the week. You are saving $15, okay? That means your out of pocket will be $10 for 4 bags of the Friskies cat food, the 3.5 bags, okay? Now, remember, if you do this deal on Saturday, we got to spend $30 to get that extra $5 off. So, you can add a bunch of different things, because we have several different Purina products. Well, you're going to pick up 4 bags of Friskies. Okay? $25 right there. And then you're going to pick up 5 of the Fancy Feast wet cat foods for $1 a piece. That is $5. Now, you got $1 back earned for purchasing that 5. But you got $20 in coupons coming off, leaving you $10 out of pocket for 4 of those bags. Because you'll be getting your instant savings for spending $25, your $5 for purchasing 3 bags of Friskies, your $5 for spending $25 on Friskies, and your 5 off of $25. So a total of $20 will be coming off at the register. Then you'll get your earn back, which means your final out-of-pocket is $9. And I'm going to show you my chicken scratch, you know, my markup page before this is over with, so you can screenshot it. So, don't worry about trying to remember all of this. Next, we're going to do a different version of that Frisky coupon, because that same 5 off of 3 is attaching to the $16.40 bag of Friskies. So to get more bang for your buck, you're going to pick up 1 of those and then 2 of the smaller Friskies, the 3.5. And that's going to give you that $5 off. It is also going to give you that $5 instant savings, okay? And that $5 for spending $25 on Friskies. So it's going to give you a total of $15 coming off right there. And then you're going to pick up 2 of the Fancy Feast cans for $2. And then you're going to get your 5 off of 25 also. So you've got a total of $20 in coupons coming off for this deal. And an out-of-pocket of $10.90, guys. $10.90 out-of-pocket. And your bag of Friskies cat food was $16. Now that's a winner chicken dinner deal right there. And next, well, we got Fancy Feast by the case, guys. The case is $11.75. You're going to pick up 2 of those because we have a $5 earn, but you got to buy 2. 2 of the Fancy Feast. That's going to be $23.50, and you're going to get a $5 earn back. Then we're just going to pick up some cans of Fancy Feast. We're going to pick up 7 cans, and we're going to get that $1 earn also on that. So we are looking at $30.50. Again, we have got instant savings of $5 coming off. We've got the 5 off 25 coming off. That's $10 coming off. That leaves you walking out of the store paying $20. Then you're going to get your $6 in earns back. That leaves you a final out-of-pocket of $14. Winner, chicken dinner for all of those cans of Fancy Feast. And let's see how many cans. You have a total of 31 cans in that transaction. And after everything is said and done, each can is 45 cents, guys. And that is a 50% savings because, as you can see on the individual ones we're purchasing, they're $1 to $1.30. So, yes, this is a winner chicken dinner deal right here. You've got the Purina one. Now, these are $26.25 right out the gate. But you've got a earn, I think. Nope, there's no other coupons that go with it except for the instant savings. Now, if you can add $4 worth of other Purina product, then you'll get an additional $5 off. So, I would, if you've got a dog, there's a couple of different Purina products that you can add. We've got a $2 earn on the Purina Bones snacks. They're $6. That'll put you a little bit over. Or you could pick you up some of the other types of Purina dog snacks that they have. And then you will get $10 off of that $30 purchase. Okay? Other than that, you're looking at just going any day of the week and getting your dog food for $21.25 with your instant savings. So there you go, guys. This is your Purina 5 off of 25 stacking deal. And it's mostly applying to your cat foods because there's so many different cat food variations that can be done. So I'm going to put them up here right now so you can see them. Okay, let's talk about something. Because I just realized this. On this first deal, if we just get $25 in Friskies product and get our instant savings coming off, we are just at $20. Okay? That means we don't qualify for the second 5 off. So we've got to spend $30 in Friskies product to make this deal work, even if we do it any day of the week. So, we're going to have to buy 5 bags, guys. We're going to buy 5 bags, and that means our out-of-pocket is going to be $16.25, okay? So, I'm correcting a mistake. So, again, your regular any day of the week deal will still have to be 5 bags. Let's correct it on here. So we need 5 bags of Friskies. Not 4, 5. And again, the out-of-pocket will be $16.25. So I've got, again, 4 bags here for $25. And 5 Fancy Feasts for at $30. So let's see how that's going to work. If we take away $5 in instant savings, we are still at $25. It should work. That's what I hate about not having my pickup anymore. The only thing that the pickup that I'm really going to miss about not having pickup is having the ability to put things in the cart and see how it's going to work. Or at least get an idea of how it's going to work. Because I'm not quite sure how this 5 off of 25 and the $5 instant savings and the 5 off when you get $25 in Friskies product is going to work in your scenario for $30. So guys, if you want to try it for the $30, I would take a insurance product up there with me, like something else for $5 that's got a good coupon on it, just in case you need it to make your deal work. Because I'm not sure, after going through this, after talking and going through those deals, exactly how that's going to work. So take that insurance product to the register with you, just in case. Now, all of these scenarios are going on that $30 scenario, working with that $5 instant savings. And, so again, take that insurance product up there with you to the register, just in case you end up having to have that extra $5 to make that work. Remember to scan everything, guys, to make sure the coupons and the offer attaches. You'll see it underneath whatever it is that you have scanned. And if everything attaches, then your deal should be good to go. And of course, at any time, if your deal does not work like you feel it should, and doesn't come out to something that is acceptable to you, feel free to cancel the transaction or return the items that you don't want. I mean, there's no reason in keeping something that you're not going to use or you don't want simply because you were trying to get a better deal. So blessings, and we'll talk again real soon because we got more deal steals, glitches, and free stuff, and plenty of awesome information.